Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your model on Yodayo character website. So first of all you need to sign in your log account and then click here model hub. So this is the model. Using this model you can create more art, okay? But how to create your own model? So simply click here create model, and you have to give your name here. You can type your model Laura. You have to choose your category and hashtag. You have to give description, mark all the things, and next. So you have to give the name is here. So actually it's really here. I'm just going to test. Okay, I'm just giving, and then next button, and version name. You have to give your version name, your model, which type of model, a trigger over. It's not optional. Simply click next button. So you have to upload your photos here, but it must be upload your model. So I'm just going to click here. So now you can choose any model. So I don't have, and then next, then it will be okay then.